Hi everyone. Welcome back to another videos with Wonderful Boys. Today we'll be checking into
Fullerton Bay Hotel Singapore.
Yes, this hotel is actually located at the foot of Marina Bay and it's quite conveniently located, about 5 minutes walk away from Raffles Place MRT.
That's right. So this is one of the top 2 hotels in Singapore over the last few years. So it's very highly rated. And we booked ourselves this Bay View room, which is actually a beautifully sized, about 53 square meters room that actually has an unobstructed view of the Marina Bay and the Marina Bay Sands beyond it. So this room also has a balcony and it's a very contemporary design. So we're very excited to show you the room later, as well as some of the facilities like the swimming pool and the gym, and also dining highlights like the dinner at the Brasserie restaurant, which is a very famous French restaurant by the bay, and of course tomorrow's breakfast, which probably is going to be great as well. So without further ado, shall we?
Let's go! We've just checked into Fullerton Bay Hotel and let's go check out our room. So this is the Bayview room. We'll show you the view of the room later. Bayview room, this room is actually located 4th floor of this hotel and it's actually 53 square meters. But before that, let us show you the room. Okay? So once you come in the entranceway, right, this is actually where you put all your stuff, the closet area. So over here, you have your usual amenities like the extra pillows and also the bathrobe, iron board and all that. Okay, and just beside, you can put your luggage, a space for you to put your luggage and take out stuff and all that, and also storage space here. Here you can put some your bags and whatnot, and also your shoes. Okay, and just beside here is actually the toilet. Okay, so it's quite a pretty toilet. So this is the toilet. Once you come in, right, it's actually quite spacious. The first thing we see is actually this bathrobe. So one you see is in the wardrobe, right? So one more is here. So it's for 2 person, and of course a very nice bathtub here. It actually comes with a TV. So as you soak away your stress, not just the TV, you have a very good view of the Marina Bay. So that's why this is called the Bayview room, but we'll show you a little bit more later. And over here is actually the where you do all your brushing of teeth and washing your face. Okay, 2 cups and also some of the amenities like they use Bellman body lotion, and also some of the stuff is actually hidden in this very beautiful box, like your toothbrush and sewing kit and whatnot. So but to take note, there's only one basin here, of course, as you can see. So you might have to schedule your time so don't fight with each other. And also towels below, and also here, hair dryer. It's already plugged in, so no worries, you can just use straight away. And next is actually the toilet, and this is the dry and the wet area. This is where you do your business, and here is where you clean yourself. The shower actually comes with over here, the rain shower and also the handout shower. Same thing, the amenities are actually the Balmain ones. And also if you're tired showering halfway, I don't know why you would, there's a stool here for you to rest. So next up, let's head out to the room. So the lights of the toilet is actually controlled here, and also the air conditioning here. And just beside here is actually the so-called mini bar area. It actually comes with TWG teas, hot chocolate, and also the mini bar here, and the mini fridge over here. Of course, it's all chargeable. Okay, over here there's Coke and some alcohol. Ice bucket over here, and also if you need teacups and whatnot, it's all here. It's actually quite beautifully placed. And over here, you can hang your coat. Usually, I don't know why people would bring our coats in Singapore, because it's very hot in Singapore. People don't really wear coats. And over here, this room actually comes with this tablet for you to order food, in-room dining, and some information like you want to do some requests of services and all that. So here you can make your request. So room service, all day dining, it's all here. The prices are also stated. So over here is actually the very big king size bed. It seems very comfortable, the linen feels very smooth. I think it's rated quite comfortable online, so we shall see later. And here, we have a very big TV right in front of the bed for you to enjoy your entertainment. I guess you can actually plug in your laptop or your gaming device to actually project to a bigger screen. And they actually have a DVD player, which you seldom actually see in other hotels, but they do have it. And a speaker for you, if you don't want to watch TV, you can actually output your music, Spotify and whatnot. Okay. And just beside the TV is actually where you do your work. Here, I suggest if you want to do work with a better view, shift the chair, not from there, just put it here. Because from here you can actually see the water body and also the MBS hotel. And also, that's why this is called Bayview room, right? And right beside is actually where you can relax a little bit, okay, with the sofa over here. And this is also quite a nice view. You can see the Art Science Museum, the hotel as well, and also the TV. But let me tell you, there's a better place to actually relax. Let me show you. So this room comes with a balcony where you can actually relax. If you get too cold inside, you can actually come out here to enjoy some of the warmth. Because, well, this is a sunny island, right? Singapore. And over here, you can actually drink some tea and enjoy the view, relax, see the water. Sometimes there will be some boats just going around. You can just hang around here, read your book and whatnot. It actually can be very relaxing. Relax your day away, your stress away. That's how you recharge, right? So that's about it for the balcony. Nothing much here. Not very big, but I guess it's quite a good space lah. I'm not sure if you hear when we were outside. It was a little bit noisy because of the water splashing from the fountain. But once I close the door, it's quite quiet. So that means the soundproofing is actually quite well done. Yeah. And over here, right, quite a big space. So I feel that it's very well worth it lah. The whole room is actually 53 square meter. Indeed, it's quite spacious. So next up, we'll be heading over to the pool and so the dinner at the Brasserie. Let's go.
Right, so we're at the rooftop and this is where the pool is. As you can see behind me right now, it's empty and it has a very beautiful view of the Marina Bay sands. So let's move on to the other side of this rooftop. And this is the fitness center. It's actually pretty small. There's only 2 persons, for 2 persons. So you have to make a booking in advance. If we proceed further inside the roof terrace, there are some, seating areas here, like a sun deck, where you can actually also have a great view of the Marina Bay sands. And over here, behind some of these plants, there are 2 jacuzzi with overlooking the Marina Bay, which is actually very beautiful. There's also some kids life jacket, so your little ones can actually have a good time here as well. So again, another view of the pool. It's so lovely. Probably because today is a weekday, so there's not really many people here. But in other times, you will need to book the pool in advance. Right? So behind is the lantern, which is the rooftop bar, but at the moment it is currently closed, and more seating areas behind. Right, so we're going to go back to our room later, and we're going to go for dinner, and later we're going to show you this wonderful dinner that we're going to have at the Brasserie restaurant. So see you then. Okay, so we are in the Brasserie. It's a French restaurant here at the Fullerton Bay Hotel, and it's a very beautiful place for you to have any kind of meal, breakfast, lunch or dinner. So we got a nice window seat by the pier, and once we're seated, we're given a menu, beverage menu, and also the a la carte dinner menu. And there's lots of things that's available. We'll show you the mains later. So after placing your order, you'll be asked what kind of drink you want, still water or sparkling water. so it's also chargeable. You can choose whether you want a sparkling or the still water, and there's also bread that's served while you wait for your food. So we're going to dig into the bread, and we're going to come back a bit later when all the other food is here. Right, so see you. Right, so our food is here. So actually in the menu there's all kinds of food, ranging from local flavors to also international flavors. And we actually chose, well, this is the vegetarian option of the burger, which is the Impossible Burger. So actually we chose 3 different mains. We have the burger, like I mentioned, the Impossible Burger. We also have the lobster roll. So they were quite thoughtful. They know that we're going to share, so they cut it into 2 for us and made it into 2 portions. The other one is here. So this comes with the truffle fries and also some salad at the side. We also have these mushroom risotto. It's a vegetarian dish as well. It looks really good. So we can't wait to dig in. And we're going to have dessert a bit later also. Okay, so it's time for dessert. We just had finished our mains and it was very, very filling. The portions were quite big. So this is the dessert. We have this apple, kind of like an apple crumble with a bit of a twist. There's also a sorbet on top. So that looks pretty good. And this one here is the chocolate mousse. Looks really good as well. So yeah, we will dig in and we'll probably see you next tomorrow during breakfast. So bye-bye. Alright, so we're now here for breakfast. It's about 10 in the morning, and when you come in to the Brasserie restaurant, this is a French restaurant that we had dinner last night. You'll be given this menu and you'll be asked to order online using this QR code. So basically there are lots of items you can choose from local delights, like here we have a nasi lemak, and this one there's like a fried noodle. It's a vegetarian option. There are also other local delights like the Singapore laksa, and also this porridge. You can choose the plain porridge or a chicken porridge. And of course, you got the roti prata, which is a very popular Indian dish. And the classic American breakfast, which are the eggs, like the eggs Benedict with smoked salmon. You can choose the ham option also, and this is the scrambled eggs. There are also choice for omelets as well. So there are many kinds of drinks, juices, which are not exactly fresh juice but from the carton. And there are coffee, tea, as you would expect. And you can see the coffee has a very nice latte art, which is a Fullerton Bay. So that's very nice. So there are also waffles, something sweet that you would like. And yeah, so we're going to dig in and we're going to see you later when we conclude this video. So see you then. Okay, so we are back and we are just about to check out. So maybe it's a good time to give a little summary about our stay. So once again, we booked a Bayview room at the Fullerton Bay Hotel Singapore. And this room is about 53 square meters in size. So what do you think about the room?
At the moment I step in, I feel like it's quite spacious, and design-wise it's very classy. And I like that they use a lot of mirrors and also glass to actually help to make it feel much bigger than just 53 square meter, even though it's quite big already.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, and the bed itself is quite good. I had quite a good sleep.
Yeah.
And also the bathroom, I like it that the bathtub itself has got a great view of the Marina Bay Sands as you soak your stress away. And also the toilet-wise, the shower, it's actually quite, water pressure quite good.
Yeah, it's quite good.
So it's quite relaxing as you wash yourself.
Yeah, but of course I think the highlight of this room is the Marina Bay view, which is what you can see behind us right now, the Marina Bay Sands. And if you look further on the left, you have the other hotels as well as Singapore Flyer. So it's actually very nice. So most people who book this hotel would choose this room category and above because they get this really, really nice view. So with that, I think overall the room was quite satisfactory, right? So we also had dinner at the Brasserie restaurant last night. It's a French restaurant, and I think, what do you think about the ambience?
Ambience is quite good. They played very nice songs, but of course because Chinese New Year coming,
Yeah.
so they sort of inserted Chinese New Year songs here and there to instill
The mood.
Yeah.
And they had some French music.
It feels a little bit weird lah.
Yeah, but the food wise, it was quite okay. We had the Impossible Burger, we had the lobster roll, and also a mushroom risotto.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you? how
But
do you
the
find
lobster roll wise, because maybe it's not their specialty, I feel that it's not that great. Portion wise, it's not that great as well.
So maybe you would want to choose some of their specialty like the duck and the beef chicks. I think
Beef
I
chicks.
read the reviews and they are quite good, but we chose the other options instead.
Yeah.
So and then we went to breakfast just now. Breakfast at the same restaurant, La Brasserie. And well, the breakfast was pretty nice because you basically order from a contactless menu. It's an online thing, so you don't need to interact with the staff. And there's quite a lot of varieties from local food to your typical American kind of breakfast. So, and they are quite prompt, right? The service was quite good.
Yeah, they're quite attentive as well.
Yeah.
And also, do take note that their portions are a little bit big, so just make sure you don't over order.
Yeah. So also we went to the rooftop pool. Yep. I think you enjoyed it, right?
Yeah, it's fantastic because of the view, and the pool is quite nice. Yeah, wonderful.
This hotel is built on great views. So I think if you're looking for something that is a bit special, like a special staycation, a special occasion, or you're in Singapore just to experience a luxurious life, so this might be one of the hotel that you want to consider. And I think that's all we have for this video.
Yeah.
So if you do like this video, do remember to leave a like and maybe some comments about what kind of videos you want us to do in the future.
Yep, and don't forget to check out our 360 video.
Yeah, that's right.
Room tour wise, you can actually scroll around to actually view around the room as we go through the room tour. So it's a little bit more immersive.
Yeah, don't forget to do that as well. And if not, that's all we have for this video, and we will see you in the next video. So
See ya!
bye-bye.